Hello and welcome back to the Kitagawa Europe Focus channel. My name is Hamish Walker.
And I'm Andy Towell.
So today, grease is the word. We are going to be talking about the advantages of greasing your chuck and why you should be doing it. So Andy, why should you grease your power chuck?
You should grease your power chuck to keep it operating smoothly at low pressures, improve the gripping force by up to 50%.
Wow.
Improve the gripping accuracy and keep your chuck operating safely for long periods of time.
Okay, that leads me nicely on to how often should you be greasing your Kitagawa power chuck?
Yeah, minimum, Hamish, is every day.
Every day?
Every day to keep it running optimally.
Perfect. Okay, so there are a lot of different greases on the market today. Can you give me the reasons why you would use the Kitagawa grease as opposed to any of the standard models on the market today?
Yes, Kitagawa Chuck Grease Pro is a specially formulated boundary grease, which means that it will get into all of the gaps between the sliding surfaces of the chuck, and under high pressure it stays in those gaps and doesn't seep out. So the lubrication stays exactly where it's needed.
So Kitagawa grease really will maintain the lifespan of your Kitagawa chuck?
Yes.
In essence. Perfect. So I think it could be time for a product demonstration. Andy, would you care to show us how to grease your Kitagawa chuck?
Yes, certainly. So first of all, you need to purchase some grease. We have available in the cartridges or the tins. Then you need a greasing gun. So we have the heavy duty grease pistol or the mini greasing gun. You need to load the grease into your gun, and then on your chuck find the grease nipples, which are located normally around the base jaws.
Yeah.
Insert the gun onto the grease nipple and then pump in the grease.
And you'll have to do this every single day?
Every day. Yep. On each of the jaws on your chuck.
Yep, perfect. Thank you so much for watching the Kitagawa Europe Focus channel. And remember, if you look after your chuck, it will look after you. We'll see you again next time.